Welcome Spirit Shack. This is the Flux 2 created by Ghost Hub. So this is for detecting and communicating with spirits. So it's got a built-in rechargeable battery. It comes with a USB-C charger cable and the USB-C port is there. It's got two motion sensors, one on either side. So you place this on the floor, and obviously it detects this side and this side. So basically one side has a red light and one side has a green light. So if you move your hand on this side, one light will show. You move your hand on that side, the other light will show. So basically the purpose of it is you can say to the spirits, if you're male, light the green. If you're female, light the red. If there's more than one spirit, light the green. If there's only one spirit, light the red. So basically that's how it works. You ask your question and you tell it which light you want for which answer. So you've got the dial to turn it on and off. Basically if you turn it till it just clicks, that's on minimum distance, which means it's only a small detection range. So if you were working in a corridor and you don't have much space, you don't want it picking up the walls and going off. So basically you put it on there just till it clicks, so it's on. That's the minimum distance. And obviously this turns further and further and further, and the further you turn it, the greater the distance it detects. So if you're in a big hallway, you obviously want it on maximum distance to increase sensitivity. So I'll just turn it on and give you a very brief demonstration on minimum sensitivity. So you have to give it a few seconds to calibrate. So green means it's calibrating. Calibration done. So now it's trying to detect movement. So if I move my hand on one side, so we've got the audible sound and the green light, and on the other side we have a different audible sound and a red light. So that will stay on for 15-20 seconds, just so in case you missed it, you can still see it when you turn back around. So yeah, it can be used to detect spirits, can be used to answer yes and no questions, and obviously you can turn the sensitivity up so it detects things further away. Really good device, really popular, and works well for ghost hunting. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.